Welcome, y'all. So I just found out that my tripod can go on a 90-degree angle, and I'm hyped because I come and I give you the beauty, the adventure, and the budget. And if my tripod goes like this, I don't have to, well, like this is the head and it goes like that. I don't have to buy a new tripod, y'all, and I really thought I had to buy a new tripod, but this is not what this video is about. But I just wanted to show my excitement and in real time because I am hype. I already filmed my cash envelopes stuffing video for this pay period, so I gotta wait another 2 weeks to do it over. Like, but your girl's hype. This is why you need to explore your technologies. But like I said, this is not what this video is about. Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. I don't feel like putting on the studio lights. I might put the ring light on later on in this video. As you can see, my hair is different. That's one. And I would like to say thank you to those who subscribed. And I'm so happy that you had your life. Like, y'all got a sister's back. But on this channel, as some of y'all know, but let me say for the new people, on this channel, I bring you the beauty, the adventure, and the budget. So I've been pushing out a lot of budget videos. I know that. I know. But I'm going on an adventure. I am going to California. And I'm very, 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 very happy about this. It seems really dark. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this. I'm going to California and I'm very, very happy. So that means I have to pack for California, and that's what all of these clothes is for. I already pre-fold them already, and all I have to do is pack them into my suitcase, which is my carry-on. I'm not bringing anything else but my carry-on. Let's put that out there. I'm gonna bring my carry-on and a personal bag. My personal bag, you'll see me pack that as well. I'm gonna bring like all the stuff that cannot fit in my carry-on. So I'm going there for 5 days and 6 nights, I believe. And I'm excited, y'all. I'm really excited. Your girl needs a break, even though I have school, but I don't have school, college. But anyways, for those that want to know about this hair, because I started out as a natural hair channel. These are the passion twists, and they look amazing. Once again, y'all, this is not what this video is about. So we're gonna B-roll to the suitcase, and I'm gonna show you my tilting skills. So yes, so this is my suitcase. Nice little small carry-on. It has 2 little pockets right here, and then the main attraction right here. So I think I'm gonna end up overpacking. That's just like what's gonna happen. I'm not even gonna fight it anymore. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bathing suits, just so I can have variety, just in case of how my belly is feeling. Does it want to feel like it's fat, or does it want to be slim, thick mama? Depending on the day, depending on the breakfast, I will interchange my bathing suit. I have a few one pieces, like rompers or sets, just in case, for the mood. You don't know what you want until you do it. when you see this video, I should be in California. I'm gonna pre-record. I'm pre-recording obviously, and I'm going to set it and schedule it for the day, but I might be in California. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Francine_. Matter of fact, what am I saying? Underscore. My name is actually just Francine. Hold on. Oh yes, it's Francine underscore because some white lady has Francine, but I'm the only person with the name Francine in the whole world. If you Google me, you'll see me.
Go look up the history. Shit, don't everybody believe in Google to this day?
But that's neither here nor there. It's weird, right? I know. So yeah, so my Instagram name is Francine underscore. So don't forget to follow me so you can see my antics. Okay. So I rolled everything up so this video can go speedy because I know I talk a lot. I really do. So we're gonna start with we're gonna put the clothes on the bottom, and then we're gonna put underwears and stuff on the top later on. That's probably like the second part of this video because I don't have everything fully planned and prepped. So we're going to go with, okay, so we're gonna do, this is my dresses for the club because I shall be going to the club. And I'm just gonna like put it all around. So I have 3 dresses for, you know, going out at night. And then these are my bottoms. These are my bottoms. This is a skirt. Let's see. Bottoms up. And this is a romper. I think I might wear this on the plane, so I'm gonna leave this aside because I just want to be comfortable in the plane. And this romper is so nice. I think I got it from Fashion Over. I think I got it from Fashion Over, and it's really soft. Depending on how I have 2 colors of this. I have this color and I have a bluish, a dark blue one, navy-ish if you would say. I don't know which one I'm going to wear depending on my mood, so I'm just going to put this in my duffel bag. I was originally going to bring the duffel bag, but then I remembered that we have a carry-on suitcase, so why not have a carry-on? Then, alright, so then this is a one piece. Then I have, this is like a dress, but I might wear it as a cover-up for my bathing suits. Now we have this little hole right here, so let's see what we can put in here. Oh, nope, I don't want to put my bathing suits on the bottom because I don't want to have to be digging for my bathing suit. Bottoms up, hey. Hey, to see you cook. Got a couple dollars. Hit them bottoms up. Okay, so this is a shirt. Okay, it's kind of looking a little full here. Kind of looking a little full. Let's see. Then this is a two-piece. A few tops. Okay, now I'm gonna put my bathing suit over here. Let's put my bathing suit where my dresses are, because my dresses should be the last thing I touch. Okay, another romper right here. I don't get the purpose of this. It's not protecting anything. Anyways, whatever. Then we have this. Okay, and then we have a couple of nightwear. Nightwear should not be in the top. Let me see. It's brand new, y'all. So I'm gonna put it here. And then I might put this in the book bag. Okay, let me pack this because this is not the this is not the personal bag that I'm bringing. This is just the bag that I will be traveling with. So I will be carrying this bag every day with me. So let's pack it. I got it from Shein. It was like $20-something. It was so cute. Some girl took a picture of it and it looked nice, but when I got it, it looks wrinkly and it looks it smells like chemicals. But other than that, it was a good buy. It was a good buy. Okay, so this bag is basically going to hold my journal. So I will be doing some journaling while I'm in California. If you want a video on that, I guess I'll show you. But I just want to keep some memories with me and, you know, document some things. So I'll put this in here. This should always be in this bag. Some Fuji film because I do have a instant share. I do have the instant share. I'll show a B-roll of this because clearly it's not working. But I do have an instant share, Fuji film thingy majiggy. So that should also be always in my bag because I want to take pictures, post that, put them in my journal. So I think I'm going to put it in this little pocket here. It don't even fit. What? Whatever. So I'm gonna put it in here. Put the film in here. So I should have 30 films to, you know, develop. And then what else am I going to put? So my wallet is gonna go in here. If they have a key for the place that we're staying at, that will go in here. And, you know, basically basic stuff. So, just want to pack these so I don't forget. And it's looking real plumb, so this might just go in my personal bag. So yes, so I have my makeup in this little bag right here. Like everything, my highlighter, my 2 foundations, just in case if I get dark, you know. Setting spray, concealer, brushes, 3 eye palettes, just in case if I don't, like, depending on my mood, you know. So then I have my 3 sunglasses for my different outfits that will go in here. And then I have a baggie full of hair products, curling rods, just in case if the ends of my hair are not curling as much as they were before, because I did do my hair pretty early if I wanted like pretty early. People typically do their hair the day they're going to go away, or the day before, or the same week as they're going away. I did mine's, when did I do my hair? I did my hair Wednesday, and the trip is Tuesday, so that's close to a week away. So yeah, these are going to go in here. And then I have a bar soap. This is Dial. I am actually going to put in Dove in here too, depending on how I feel. So I'm going to put my glasses in here. Glasses in here. I might put my favorite glasses, this little cute one. Actually, this is not my favorite glasses, but this was the style, like the popular style last summer, and I never wore it, even though I bought it. Never wore these glasses, and this summer I'm going to wear it. So I'm going to put that in the small bag that I have. I'm going to put it in here. So it's forcing me to wear the glasses. So I'm going to put the soap. Should put the soap in here too, right? Yep. My makeup is going in here. My hair stuff is going in here. And then is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Then I have my scarf, which is going in here because this is my night stuff. And yeah, so that's basically it for my carry-on. And we're going to do my personal item another day, or I might not record that one. But thank you for watching this video. I'm very... hold on. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I know you see my hands a lot. You will see my face in 1, 2, 3. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I showed a few techniques that you may not have seen. Granted, I wasn't showing you any techniques. This was basically a vlog of me packing for my California trip. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you guys have been subscribing, and kudos to you girls and boys. Mainly it's girls. So right now I have a demographic of 100% girls. So I see you, girl. I see you, boo. So yeah, so I will be doing some vlogs in California, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Ew, why do people do that? Bye. Period, poo.